I'm wondering what your take on this is. Do you take the risk and start going with the smaller providers that are startups in the MLOps tooling space, or do you just stay safe and go with SageMaker or Azure ML?
Yeah, I think it's an excellent question. You're going to have risk anywhere you go. You're going to have risk when you hire a machine learning engineer. You're going to have risk with a data scientist. You're going to have risk with a software engineer. I've worked with people and it's like, yeah, I thought this person, when I interviewed this person, was like really excellent. It turned out not to be really excellent. Like, what am I going to do that? If I'm a startup, if I'm the owner of the company and I'm hiring a software engineer and it turns out not to be good, that's a problem. Like it's a three person startup and suddenly like 30% of the company, not good. What do we, what do we do then? So the answer is not like, well, you can't hire software engineers. You have to mitigate risk and, find a Peruvian that wants to work with you. Suddenly I come and say, yeah, I can do the work. So I think making calculated risks and the return on investment that you will get from cloud providers is orders of magnitude higher than just going from tooling that, even if it's not very new, but it has not made it into cloud native stuff, that is not that reliable. My opinion, I think I'll have to agree more with Noah, without saying that what Joe says is wrong. Yeah, sure. You'll have certain situations where a cloud provider or cloud providers say, well, this is not, like I'm going to make some very non-plausible prediction, but let's assume that tomorrow Onyx says, like, Microsoft and Facebook says, like, yeah, it turns out this was horrible, and you have this potato farmer in the high plains of Peru deploying to his edge devices a bunch of Onyx models. What is this person going to do? Well, tough luck. I mean, what are we going to do? The probability that will happen, I would say pretty minimal. If not, something newer and better will come to replace it and make your life easier. But if I'm going for reliability, speed, and using products that have been very well thought through with, I'm pretty sure that I know a bunch of people that work with AWS, at Amazon and at Google and at Azure that are very, very smart. And I'm just taking advantage of that. And I think that's priceless. I don't, if I'm a small startup and I want to use the best, well, I'm just going to go cloud native.